Hi Lance! Happy birthday from the Pink Tarha!
We wish you all the best. We wish you good health and more blessings and more beautiful years to come.
Yes, thank you so much for inviting us, and it was a pleasure to meet you and your team at F40 Lounge. I really appreciate it, and we hope you keep us in mind for next time. For now, stay healthy, and we will see you soon, hopefully.
Bye!
Bye!
Hi Mr. Lance Infante Doria, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Namimiss ko yung LS mo na unang lapag. Ay, nawala si Sir Lance, sayang naman. Diba? So, namimiss ko yon. So, sana maibalik yon. And, stay healthy, stay assured, and have a good health. Again, host Lance and Fandadoria, happy birthday! I hope you have a great day today, and the years ahead is full of many blessings and happiness, and of course, love life. Ayan, again, enjoy your day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lance Narvaez Vlog, to get updated for our tutorial videos and latest live stream. Goodbye!
Hey guys, you know what? It's Lance Infante's birthday! Grabe, nagbe-birthday pala ang Diyosa. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Hindi mo ako na-inform. I love you, sissy. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. Grabe, na-miss kita ha. Na-miss ko yung mga itumba na yan. Na-miss ko yung mga pa-livestream natin dyan. Alam mo yan. So, I'm here for you always. Isang text lang, isang message lang. Come to Dubai, no problem. Madam Beck is always here for you. And mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ingatan mo yung kalusugan. Yan ang pinaka-importante. And of course, enjoy life to the fullest. I love you, sissy. Hope the best. Have a blast.
Happy birthday, Sir Lance! So, I wish you good health and success in life. So, namimiss ko na yung mga times nagigising ako sa umaga para lang umattend ng live mo. Sana magkaroon ulit ng live para naman ma-remember ko yung mga times na naririnig namin yung boses mo. I wish na maging successful ka sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Again, happy birthday!
Dahil ngayon, ikaw ay bida. Dahil birthday mo ngayon, happy birthday, Lance! Take care and enjoy your birthday. Keep safe!
Happy birthday, Lance Infante! Sa lahat po ng mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa channel ni Sir Lance na may Pante. Subscribe na po kayo sa kanyang channel. I miss you, Lance, and I hope sana mas mag-grow pa yung YouTube channel mo. And sana mas i-bless ka pa ni Lord kasi alam ko ang dami mong natutulungan na tao. And ayun, kahit na ano pang journey, work mo, yung mga pinagkakakitaan mo, Axie, Plants vs. Undead, lahat yan sana maging successful. And thank you kasi hindi ka nakakalimot. I miss you. And ayun lang. Masaya ako na naging kaibigan kita. Again, happy birthday. God bless you more. Mag-ingat ka lagi.
So, hi Sir Lance! Binabati kita ng happy birthday and salamat at naalala mo pa. So, yun, sana mas i-bless ka pa ni Lord sa buhay at pasayihin ka niya palagi. At ano pa ba? Sana yumaman ka na sobra tapos pupunta ka dito, lalalawin mo ako. So, happy birthday Sir Lance! Ingat ka palagi dyan. And I will always remember you. And God bless. Happy birthday!
Hello guys! This is the Steinkids. Hi Sir Lance! Happy birthday to you! Unang-una sa lahat, wish ko, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Lahat ng minimithi mo. Sana maabot mo. God bless you. Sana ingatan ka ni Lord, patnubayan ka lagi sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Lagi kang magpipray sa Kanya sa lahat ng bagay. Kung ano man ang gusto mo sa buhay ay maaabot mo. Thank you so much at nakilala ka namin ng Team Alaska. Masayang-masaya kami dahil may isa kaming kaibigan tulad mo. Maraming salamat at happy birthday again! Mwah!
Hello, good morning! It's a great opportunity na i-greet ko na happy birthday yung anak ko na si Lance Infante. Happy birthday, Lance! May the Lord bless you always and laban lang sa buhay. I know you are hardworking, loving, and napaka-responsible na klaseng tao. God will bless you more and more, anak, and continue lang to follow your dreams, to pursue your goals in life. May the Lord give you strength every day, good health, and long life. Laban ng anak, huwag susuko. I really miss you. Namimiss ko yung live streaming mo at saka yung mga uploaded videos mo na magaling kumanta. May talento. So again, happy birthday, anak, and more power to your YouTube channel. And of course, ingat ka lagi dyan. At huwag mong kalimutan to pray and ask the guidance of God every day in your life. I know that without Him, you can do nothing and you are nothing. Commit to the Lord whatever you do and your plan will succeed. Happy birthday and may God bless you more and more at maging masaya ka sa araw na ito. Thank you so much, anak, for acknowledging me. And I love you, Lance. God bless. Enjoy, anak. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!